Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to import data into MySQL Workbench. To do this, you just need to come to the schema panel over here, right click and click on create schema. Upon doing that, you have the chance to give your schema a name. So let's call this schema bank data. After naming it, we click on apply. Then we click on OK. So what we are observing here is that we have a script which is replicating the schema that we are creating. So we just click on apply and click on finish. Automatically, what we observe is that we can see our schema that we've created over here, and clicking on the drop down shows us tables, views, stored procedures, functions, which are all empty. Now to bring in the data set in the form of a table, we right click on this table and then we select table data import wizard. We click on it. This pop-up gives us the chance to pick up the data set that we want to import. So we click on browse, and in my case I want to bring in this particular data set. One thing to note is that importing data set into MySQL Workbench allows JSON files and CSV files. So you can tell that my file here is a CSV. All I'm going to do is to click on it and then click on open. Then I click on next here. Click on next again, and I would have to check my column headers whether they are all intact. I can also do a preview of how my data will look like. Click on next, next again, and I can see the data being imported. To finish performing the task, I would have to click on next again. Then I can see 365 records imported. These are the number of rows in my data set, which means it is important for us to know beforehand the number of rows we have in our original data set so that we can compare that to this number that we observe here. Click on finish, and over here we can tell that the table is still empty, but by refreshing we have a drop down which upon clicking on it we can see the data set that we have imported. Using this default run can let us have a view at the data that we imported. So when we click on it, we can see that this script is generated by default, and this is the data set that we have imported. So this is how to import data sets into SQL Workbench. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification button for more videos. Thank you very much.